Welcome to another episode of LiveRight. I'm Dr. Rekha Kumar. Today we'll be seeing the topic skin diseases. In Ayurveda, skin diseases are treated very effectively. The main skin diseases which occur in summer are the fungal diseases. Fungal diseases occur due to excessive sweating, and also we see the dermatitis and also a lot of itching problems are there. And the normal skin diseases like eczema, psoriasis, these diseases also get flared up or they become excessively aggravated. The symptoms become excessively aggravated in summer. According to Ayurveda, the main cause of skin diseases is the Pitta dosha, and also the persons who are having Pitta as their main constitution, that is the Pitta Prakruti persons, are known to suffer from skin disorders. This occurs mainly due to the liver malfunction, liver being excessively stimulated. So we will see the main causes of this skin disorders. Genetical causes also play a very important role. Apart from that, the lifestyle of the persons is very important. Food habits also play a major role in skin disorders. So when the persons are taking excessive fast foods or junk foods, or they are taking excessive spicy, oily foods, this type of foods are known to aggravate the Pitta dosha, and thereby they cause these skin disorders. Excessive stress also plays a very important role. We know that when the person is excessively stressed or when they are suffering from depression or anxiety, such problems also are known to aggravate the Pitta dosha. So whenever the Pitta dosha is aggravated, there is a greater chance of having skin disorders. In Ayurveda, we have this concept called as Viruddha Ahara or incompatible foods. That is, some foods should not be taken together. For example, fish along with curd should not be taken together. What happens when we take such kind of food is we cannot easily digest that food, and thereby it also causes some sort of food allergy. This food allergy is commonly, we call it in medical term as urticaria. This urticaria also produces skin rashes, it produces itching, it produces redness. So such type of discomfort is produced. When they consume this type of incompatible food for a prolonged period or for a longer period, such toxins can be produced in the body. When this type of toxins are not eliminated from the body by either panchakarma or colon cleansing, the toxins starts to get excreted from the skin. Skin also being a major excretory organ. So in such circumstances, the person is prone to suffer from skin disorders. Alcohol consumption and smoking also is a very important factor. It can also lead to skin disorders, or the persons who are already suffering from skin disorders, when they consume alcohol or when they do the smoking, their skin disorder tends to get aggravated. Now we will see the common home remedies for these skin disorders. These home remedies can be used for all types of skin disorders. So the first tip which we will see is the consuming of Bermuda grass juice. This Bermuda grass is commonly known as Argampul in Tamil. So this Bermuda grass can be consumed for all types of skin disorders. It is a very good blood purification herb. So how to consume this Bermuda grass juice is you have to just take the fresh Bermuda grass and you have to blend it in a blender, and you can add lemon juice, or you can also add some Indian gooseberry to it. Indian gooseberry also being rich in vitamin C. It is a very good herb to reduce the three doshas, that is the Vatam, Pittam, Kapham. All the three doshas can be reduced by using Indian gooseberry. It is known to be very good for the skin disorders. So a combination of this Bermuda grass along with Indian gooseberry, this juice can be very effective for skin disorders. It should be consumed in empty stomach, and it should be consumed at least for a period of 48 days for best results. Persons suffering from skin disorders, it is better for them to avoid seafood and also better for them to avoid curd. Instead of curd or yogurt, they can take a lot of buttermilk. They are supposed to go for a diet which is more alkaline, and they have to take a lot of water. At least a minimum of 3 liters of water should be consumed by the person suffering from skin disorders. Aloe vera is also an important herb for skin disorders. So aloe vera is a cooling herb. It is known to reduce the pitta. So aloe vera gel, when applied directly, it is very effective for skin disorders like fungal infections. Aloe vera juice can also be taken for skin disorders. Mostly the herbs which are cooling in nature or which are Shita in Virium or cooling in potency are known to be very effective for skin disorders. A few examples for these herbs are Nannari, or it is called as Sariva in Sanskrit. This Nannari can be consumed as a syrup, or it can be consumed as a sarbat, or this Nannari can also be made into a kashayam along with this herb called as Manjishta. Manjishta is called as manjati in Tamil. So this type of herbs are very effective because they tend to act as a blood purifier. So whenever there is a blood purification happening, the skin disorders will be reduced. Thank you for this opportunity, and also thank you for listening. I'm looking forward to be talking to you about more topics about Ayurveda and creating awareness in this field along with LiveRight.